Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Epson printer to phone step by step clearly. To connect your Epson printer to your phone, start by ensuring both devices are powered on. Check that your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Download the Epson iPrint app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app once it's installed. Grant the app any necessary permissions when prompted. On the home screen of the app, tap on the printer icon. Select Printer Setup from the menu. Choose Wi-Fi Direct if you don't have Wi-Fi, or select your printer from the list if it's on the same network. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect. If using Wi-Fi Direct, note the printing password displayed on your printer. Enter this password in the app when prompted. Once connected, you'll see your printer listed in the app. Now, you can choose the document or photo you wish to print. Select the print option within the app. Adjust any print settings as necessary, such as paper size or color. Tap Print to start the printing process. Monitor the app for any print status updates. Your document will now be printed from your Epson printer to your phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.